Hello everyone, in this experiment we are going to see the simulation of 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter using MATLAB and Simulink. So this is the circuit diagram of 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter. If you observe clearly means it consists of two inverters. So above one is one set of inverter and below one is another set of inverter. So these two inverters are cascaded with the resistive load R. So consider the supply voltage which should be of 100 volt. So this is your supply voltage. So we can see this is on DC voltage. So supply voltage of 100 volt. For both the inverters we are giving the supply voltage as a 100 volt. So in this we are having a switching pulse sequencer. So we are having 8 switches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 switches are here. So in this 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter, we can see the output waveforms will be have the 5 level step. So having it starts from 0, 100 volt, 200 volt, 100 volt, 0, then minus 100 volt, minus 200, then again 0. So the sequence will be continuously takes place like this. So we can have switching the switches like this manner. So we can see this is the simulation diagram of a 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter. So we are having a power guide, then 8 MOSFET switches. So MOSFET we are having, then for each MOSFET we are going to have the pulse generator. So we are having the pulse generator. So for the 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter, how we are going to connect is like this only. So the source to drain goes to drain, and here also so again the DC supply, so plus to drain, and then minus here will be given to your source supply. So like this connection for the below circuit also you want to give the same connection. So the R load should be given like this. We can see the connection how the R load is given. So for plus R load, then your minus supply of your R load should be given to your second phase of your inverter. So like this your R load should be connected. Then we can see how your two inverters are cascaded. So here the cascaded should be done like this. So from this drain to your below inverter drain. So like this your two inverters are getting cascaded. So now we are going to giving their pulses. So you want to concentrate so much on this pulse generator values. So this is first pulse generator. So pulse generator parameters should be, the amplitude should be 1, period is 0.02 seconds, then pulse width should be 5/8 into star of 100, then phase delay is 0.02 divided by 8 into 0. So the 0.02 is your frequency, that is 1/50. Your supply frequency is 50, so 1/50 we can get 0.02. So out of 8 switches we getting divided by 8 into 0. First is initial generator pulse should be given as 0. So next pulse should be given as period of 0.02 seconds. So 3 divided by 8 into 100, then phase delay is 0.02 divided by 8 into 5. So in this we are using a logical operator R. So this is a logical operator. Here we are using R. So here we are giving a pulse generator, the value of 0.02 seconds, 1 by 8 into 100, then 0.02 into divided by 8 into 0. Then next pulse generator value should be given here. So this is 0.02 period seconds, then pulse width is 4 divided by 8 into 100, then 0.02 divided by 8 into 4 seconds phase delay. So this output should be taken for two pulse generator, the R, then that output from the logical operator should be given to this gate pulse. Then last pulse generator value should be here. So 0.02 period of seconds, pulse width is 3 divided by 8 into 100, then phase delay is 0.02 divided by 8 into 1. Then next pulse generator values. So this OR operation should be given to this gate MOSFET. Then next pulse generator value. So these values are playing the important vital role in the switching sequence of your 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter. Then your next MOSFET switch or pulse generator. Then next pulse. So these two pulse generator are given to a logical operator. Then output of their OR will be given to a gate. Then last pulse generator. So once after giving all the values for your pulse generator, next we are giving then R load. So your R load value will be 100 ohm resistance. Then two voltage supply values are given like 100 volt. Then we want to save the simulation. So after you are saving, you want to run the simulation. So once you simulate, we can see the output scope. So your output can be seen here. So for clear view, you can see here. And you can adjust it. How we are obtaining a 5-level output. So we can see here clearly from 0 volt, then 100, then 200 volt, then again 100, then 0 volt, minus 100 volt, and again your minus 200 volt. So we can clearly see the waveform. So this is your finally 5-level cascaded output waveform. So we can see here you're seeing your sinusoidal output. So by joining these waves, you can clearly see your waveform of your sinusoidal wave. So this is your 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter. So just we can verify the 5-level cascaded multi-level inverter using a MATLAB simulation. Thank you.